Save the underwear, please.
Hello. Okay. How much is this? It's expensive lagi this one. 59.
Come on.
I'm not sexy anymore.
You are, Jimmy. Come on. Be nice today.
Good morning. We're going to school.
Whoa.
We're going to school and then we're going to Starbucks.
I want to go to Starbucks.
Just go in.
Kita wala na sa donated.
Go in.
Okay. Akin na. Wala naman eh.
You go to Starbucks, you don't.
Rudy, carry nga your phone.
Get out.
Go na, I will lock the door.
Come on. She's going to lock the door after she has a dance.
No. I'm going to put my lipstick on. Nagtago si Mr. guys nung nag-kiss. Ayaw magpa-ano sa camera. So, ihati natin si Georgie. Tapos, mag-coffee kami sa Starbucks.
Stick my nose in.
After hinatid ni Mr. si Georgie guys sa school, nag-decide siya, instead na mag-Starbucks kami near Tesco kung saan kami nag-work, tanong niya kung gusto ko daw mag-mall. Sabi ko, sige, wala naman tayong ibang lakad eh. Ang lamig. Ayan, dito tayo ulit sa the mall. Ayan, ang lamig. Malamig yung hangin.
Didn't find a jumper in there.
Wala. How about you, Tesco jumper? It's alright. It will be warm inside. Maybe. See, look. Sa loob tayo ng Mark and Spencer's. See? Flowers. See, wala pang katao-tao, guys. Daddy, you wanna have a look? That slipper, love.
No?
Just look. Don't buy.
What happened to the ones that were from Dad?
Huh?
The brown ones that
Yeah,
Dad...
but you said you don't
Did I
want
throw
it
them away?
because it's small. No, I don't think so. This one bigger. Kasi ganito yung suot.
I only need one.
Yeah, ganito yung suot niya guys nung na ano siya na
12.
na slip sa hagdanan. But looks bigger that one.
How much is that? 50 quid.
What size is this?
No, they don't do 13. Most shops just don't do 13.
45 this one. Yeah, it's 12. Kasi yung nabili namin sa Dubai guys.
35. Look, standard fit. These are better.
It's lighter that one. Sa Dubai pa namin binili yun, yung Geox brand. Okay.
Good idea though.
I know, because your Geox is already broken.
I need to throw them away.
I know. So, yung mga shoes.
Let's have to try them on.
Try the 12. You can sit down in the middle, Daddy. They got a shoehorn as well. You want me to get the brown one as well?
No, these are cheaper.
Sige. How much is that?
35. You'll have to help me though.
I know, I'll help you. So, sarado pa yung ibang shops, guys. So, ganito lang yung mall. Maganda mag-video ngayon kasi walang katao-tao, ano? See? Yan, haaga natin. Ito yung tama. Dapat agahan. Para ikaw ang number 1, no? Yung iba nagtambay na nga lang, eh. Yung shop dyan, Court Giger. Ganda ng mga bag niya, no? Affordable bags lang din niya, eh. Muntik na ako mapabili niyan. Mga bling-bling na yan.
So,
Yeah. 95, expensive, boy.
cheese, gravel cheese.
This one. Favorite namin to, guys. Share lang kami para hindi mabigat. Sa tiyan. Cheers. Na tayo guys na nagkakape kanina guys habang naghintay ako kay Mr. Nag-order siya ng coffee. You know the couple...
Sound complaining.
No, I'm not complaining. You know the couple sit there.
Yeah.
They keep looking at us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. No, I mean,
Perhaps she fancies me.
she fancy you.
No, perhaps he fancies me.
A guy?
Perhaps he's gay.
No, they're couple.
Yeah, perhaps he's a closet gay.
Because, you know, we only get that look when we were in Dubai.
Yeah.
You know, so here it's very rare that people looking at you with your partner is because of our age gap, you know.
What age gap?
Our age gap.
There's no age gap.
There's no age gap.
I'm young.
So in-ignore ko lang sila. Pero minsan kasi parang nakaka-insulto din ba pag tinititigan ka, alam mo yun. So okay lang.
Could ask them if they wanted a photo.
Nasanay naman din ako kasi sa Dubai talaga as in lahat ng mata nasa amin. I mean, lalo na pag mga kapwa Pilipino. Dito, hindi na masyado. Siguro nagulat lang sila. Siyempre, no? Hindi ko rin ma-blame. It's not on.
It is on. I can see the little red square.
So, punta kami ng, guys, Victoria's Secret. Kasi nabanggit ko sa katrabaho ko na,
Sexy underwear, please.
alam,
No.
you sent ba, yung unlimited scent ng Victoria's Secret. So, yung katrabaho ko na ano sa akin, nainganyo ba pagdating sa perfume? It's over there para. It's a bit further pa. So, pumunta yung katrabaho ko dito, guys. Tiningnan niya yung ang bango daw. So, parang ako naman sabi ko, sige, titingnan ko. Sabi niya kasi sa bibili daw siya ng payday. So, sabi ko, wag mo na hintayin yung payday, bilhin mo na. Ina ko ba? Demonyo ko yung niya, utak niya. Sabi niya, walang iya ka. I'm talking to myself, walang iya ka. Napapagastos mo ako sa pabango. So, anyway, ngayon, nagyaya dito nga si Mr. O, sige, puntahan natin, tapos amoyin natin. Bili siya ng Krispy Kreme. Oh, buti siya ang pumunta. Akala ko akong pababayarin eh. So, yung puntahan namin ng shop ngayon, guys, Victoria's Secret lang, tapos Skechers. Kasi wala naman kaming ibang bibilhin. So, chill out day lang, papalipas oras. So, pasok tayo. So, tingin tayo ng ng design ng pajamas, joggers. Kasi nasusuot ko to sa work eh. Asan ba yun? Paradise. Yeah. I wanna try. Balik na.
Nice. Citrusy.
Yeah.
So, 20 bottles.
79, 100 ml perfume or a mist or a lotion.
Oh, sorry, you're still running.
100 ml?
You're in the way.
If I get this, yeah, I know. I'll keep this one.
What's the price of that?
It's
59 just on its own.
yeah.
Yeah, but you may as well get the set for 70.
That's what I'm going to. That's what I'm thinking. If I get this one or this one, if it's
Why don't you just ask? That's the set there. Exactly what's in that bag.
no, either mist or lotion. So perfume, mist or lotion.
No.
Yeah,
£79 for 100 ml eau de parfum.
that's the one that you're
Right,
getting.
plus a mist or lotion. All right.
A mist or a lotion.
Right, which is the mist?
This is a mist,
Right.
and this is a lotion, and this is a lotion as well. So I'm gonna ask if either is this one part of the bundle or just this one or this one.
Yes, please. A bit confused. confused.
Yeah, this bundle, is this, I know if either mist or lotion. Can I get the bundle for this one and that one? No, or just this one?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, no problem.
You sure? So I like this one.
Is a mist or lotion?
So either this lotion or this one.
No, this lotion.
Ah, alright. Yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah, thank you.
No.
Yay.
Right.
Yep. No, we're not finished yet.
Do you guys need a phone maker?
No, it's okay. We're just looking. Thank you. No, that's nice color, no? Oh, no, so silky. How much is this? It's expensive lagi, this one. 59.
Come on.
I'm not sexy anymore, no.
You are to me. Be nice to Dad.
What size is this? Let me check the... that's large. How about the medium?
Do you want to test the knickers around your neck?
No, don't need that one. So, ayan, napabili tayo ng So, Skechers for Daddy.
Check out.
So, those sandals, guys, is a slip-in. So, no need to undo everything, you know? How is it?
She's not sure about the bumps on them.
Yeah, it's therapeutic.
Is it?
Yeah.
I get used to it, I suppose.
And you're not wearing it all the time anyway, only summer or... Oh, ayan, binili na niya, guys. Manapa-shopping na naman kami. Sunod-sunod na yung shopping namin. Sige lang, pagtrabahoan na lang ulit. So, gustong pumasok ni Mr. sa Ernest Jones para tignan ng magtingin ng relo for Georgie daw.
Oh, with the numbers on it that are big. See that pink one there?
Yeah.
Something like that's only 14 quid. But she can see the numbers clearly.
Yeah. How about the pink with the heart?
That's what I'm talking about.
I thought you picked talking.
Oh, you mean the one with the heart strap?
Yeah.
That's a nice one as well. It's only £15.
Ayan, wait lang, wait. We're going home na, guys. Wait lang, let me shut properly. What did you say earlier? We just come here for a coffee?
Yeah. Let's go to Cribs for a coffee and have a walk around.
It's your fault.
And then we spend like £300. We bought ourselves treats.
Yeah, for 2 consecutive weeks.
What the heck? You only live once.
Yeah, that's right. We just...
Could get run over by a bus tomorrow.
But don't say that way. Makes me scared. Like what I said, if you spend, then you need to work again. You need to earn it
Well, I
again.
don't, you do.
Yeah, I need to earn it. It's my turn, Daddy, no?
Yeah.
Masters. No? What car is that? Masters.
Never heard of it. It's an old car. BL12.
Looks like customized.
Looks like a Citroen.
Is that Citroen?
I said it looks like.
Looks like it, no?
What's on the wheels? Can you see anything on the
Looks
wheels?
like Peugeot. And they just customize it instead of...
Perhaps, yeah.
Because look at the shape of the roof.
Look at number plate mass.
I know. Blemas. So yan din ang guys, pag kami, if we're going out, me and my husband looking cars. You know? Oh, that's nice. But it doesn't mean that we're gonna buy one because we can't afford it. We cannot afford
We
it.
prepare it for when we win some money.
Ano kami guys? Spenders. We bought spenders. We bought,
Dream spenders.
huh?
Dream spenders.
Dream spenders. So,
Plan it in advance for when you're rich.
libreng mangarap.
Yeah, see what the car is.
Free. You're free to dream.
What's the badge on the front?
Masters din. They customize it, Daddy.
Yeah.
But it looks Peugeot. So, paiba-iba na yung usapan natin, no? Kasi ano kami, we interrupt each other conversation.
I don't ever interrupt you.
Ay, ganoon. I'm on the run.
Who's singing?
Britney Spears.
Oh, sing.
Paradise. I'm
Pop master.
addicted to you.
Pop master.
Don't you know that
I like listening to pop master. British beard.
Sa bahay na kami guys, share ko lang sa yung nabili ko. Okay. Gusto ni Mr. Buy this one, Sexy. Sexy short, silky. Ooh. Tapos ito,
Sexy socks.
Kasi, interrupting, no? So, ayan yung design niya, ganyan. Ayan siya. Tapos, open lang yan dyan sa likod. Diba? Oh. So, this one cost 59 pounds. And the 59 ba? Check ko nga. Yeah, 59. Tapos, ito yung nabili ko na bundle. 79 pounds, 100 ml perfume, tapos lotion with free bags. Ayan, free bags. So, worth it na siya. No. Gamit ko to for yung, cute may pouch sa loob. Cute. No, cute ng pouch. Summery. Ayan. Tapos, I'll share it with my colleague. I'm sure matatawa yun. Kasi alam niya, perfume addict. Tapos, binilhan ni Mr. si Georgie ng watch. Ayan. Para pag lalabas siya, alam niya kung anong oras siya uwi. Pag sinabihan namin na uwi ka na ganitong oras, pag mali siya, may consequence. Daddy, no? So, ayan. Para matuto siya ba? Dapat umuwi ng bahay. Tamang oras. May curfew kami. Curfew. Oh, I like the color of the bag, no? Summery. So, tapos si Mr. Bumili din siya ng socks. 50% off for the second one. So, isang set sa akin, isang set din sa kanya. This one is very useful kasi siyempre nagtatrabaho tayo araw-araw. Tapos yung sandals na nabili niya, ito, slip-ins din. Ayan. Ayan, ganda siya. Mahal nga lang ang Skechers dito sa UK, guys. Kasi nung sa Dubai kami, mas mura eh. So, again. Get it in your eyes, but makabuo talaga kami nito ba? Like that. So, large size ako. So, ganyan siya sa likod. No. Keep it love. If you're done with your ex, move it to the next. Napapangiti eh. Siya sabi din sa akin, bakit sumasayaw ka sa ibang tao nakatingin. Dapat sumasayaw ka sa ako lang nakatingin. Diba? Sumasayaw lang ako guys sa bahay. Nahihiya ako sumayaw sa sa public. Sa bahay at least. Mag-video lang. Diba? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa sawa ko na hindi ako sexy. Pero sabi niya, you're so sexy daw. O char. O diba? Pak. Binuksan ko na yung pabango guys. Ayan So, ang ganda ng botelya niya, no? Ang ganda, no? Tapos, after ko nito ito yung lotion. Kasi dapat partner para yung amoy na amoy mo yung scent niya. So, dapat lotion and perfume. So, sabi ni Mr., bumili ako ba bang wala na akong paglagyan. Kaya sabi ko, ito, empty na to eh. Ito, empty na to. Hindi ko lang tinatapon. Tapos, ito din, empty. Ayan, meron pa konti. Tapos, ito din. Ayan, patapos na din to yung Jomalon ko. So, wala yan sa problema. Bibili ako ng panibagong scent, guys. Basta, may may replacement. So, meron pa ako ditong guys, yung Victoria's Secret na bombshell. Tapos, ito yung isa Victoria's Secret na intense. Wala, gusto ko lang yung bote nila. Ayan, gagawa tayo ng space niyan. Para may paglagyan tayo nito. O, diba? Agree kayo? Ganda, no? Ano to eh? Limited edition ng Victoria's Secret. Itong Escape. Ayan. So, gawan tayo ng space yan. Para, tsaka support yan si Mr. guys. Kasi alam niyang mahilig ako sa pabango. Kaya, o, diba? May space. Kasya na. Kasya. O, diba? Kahit hindi ko niremove yung empty bottles. Ayan. Kasya. Tagilid na nga lang. Ayan, maligo muna ako kasi pauwi na sila sir.